Are you ready to make a game-changing move with Apple stock? Get ready for an in-depth exploration of Apple. Our initial report, released on Wednesday, October 4, 2023, was just the beginning. Today, we're unleashing an even more comprehensive analysis that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on the notification bell to ensure you receive all the latest updates. Missing out on any crucial information could impact your investment significantly. Supercharge your trading decisions with our groundbreaking AI stock analysis tool, powered by the revolutionary GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Unleash the potential of artificial intelligence and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies across the globe. Please keep in mind that this video is strictly for informational purposes and should not be considered as financial advice. Hold on tight. We have some exciting news about Apple's stock performance since September 6, 2023. Brace yourself for the shocking truth: our system has ranked Apple as a sell candidate with a score of -1.27. But what happened to the stock during this period? Let's dive in. Prepare for a roller coaster ride as the stock experienced a loss of -5.06%. That's an average loss of -0.24% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. Picture this: a stock caught in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term. But wait, there's more. The trend indicates that it may continue to drop even further. Brace yourself for the next 3 months, as the current 3-month trend suggests a potential -10.71% change. That's quite a significant shift. The return during this period could range anywhere between -16.33% and -6.15%. Now, let's zoom out and take a broader look at the 12-month trend. It paints a different picture with a potential 37.5% change over the next year. Can you believe it? That's a significant growth opportunity, with a potential return ranging from 32.4% to a whopping 63.76%. Imagine the possibilities. If all goes well, the stock's price could soar from $229.92 to $284.39 in just 12 months. Welcome back to our daily Apple stock update. Today's headline reads: Apple stock price surges by 0.731% on Wednesday. Let's dive into the details. On the last trading day, Apple's stock experienced a solid gain of 0.731%. Just imagine, it went from $172.40 to $173.66. Throughout the day, the stock showed some volatility, fluctuating 1.89% between a low of $170.98 and a high of $174.21. Despite some ups and downs, the stock has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, but it's still down by -1.04% for this period. However, there's a positive sign we can't ignore: the volume of shares traded increased alongside the price. In fact, there were 4 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. This indicates a promising trend. And get this, a staggering 51 million shares were bought and sold, resulting in a total value of approximately $8.91 billion. Let's take a broader look now. Over the past 52 weeks, Apple's stock reached a high of $198.22 and a low of $124.17. Currently, the stock price is 12.39% below its 52-week high, which means it's trading at $24.56 lower than its peak. And if we go back even further, the all-time high for Apple's stock was on August 30, 2018, when it reached a staggering $228.26. That means it's currently trading 23.92% below that all-time high, which translates to a price difference of $54.60. Get ready to uncover the latest analyst ratings for Apple Inc. Brace yourself for some exciting news. On Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. But that's not all, there's more. On Tuesday, September 12, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. Wait, there's even more to come. On Tuesday, September 12, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an impressive outperform grade with a hold action. But the excitement doesn't end there. On Friday, September 8, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Apple an optimistic, overweight grade with a hold action. And here's another interesting update. On Friday, August 4, 2023, Barclays gave Apple an intriguing equal weight grade with a hold action. Are you ready for some exciting news about Apple stock? Well, listen up, because analysts have given it a general strong buy rating. But that's not all. They also rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. It's safe to say that experts are optimistic about Apple's future. Now, let's talk about return on investment. The analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. So, while it may not be a guaranteed win, it's still worth considering. Alright, let's dive into the signals for Apple. Brace yourself, because a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, September 27, 2023, and guess what? It has already surged by 1.9%. But here's the interesting part, there's more potential for growth until a new top pivot reveals itself. The volume is rising in harmony with the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. But, hold on, there are some negative signals in the mix that might impact the short-term outlook. Don't worry, though. The Apple stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average gives a general sell signal. Why? Well, because the long-term average stands higher than the short-term one, indicating a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. If the stock keeps climbing, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $177.54. On the other hand, if it takes a tumble, it will find support from the short-term average at $172.01. But wait, there's more. If the stock breaks through the long-term average, it will trigger another buy signal. Conversely, if it falls below the short-term average, it will add another sell signal, strengthening the overall signal. Keep in mind that there's currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. So, a lot is happening in the Apple stock realm. Let's dive into some fascinating signals that can guide your investment decisions. Brace yourself for the moving average convergence divergence, it's indicating a sell signal. Keep an eye on the pivots, they generated a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger is giving us a buy signal that occurred 22 days ago. The short-term moving average is signaling a buy opportunity 4 days ago. However, the long-term moving average suggested a sell signal 22 days ago. Pay attention to the relationship between the short and long moving averages, it indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. Now, if we analyze the 12-month chart, here's what we discover. The short moving average is indicating a sell signal 21 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is suggesting a sell signal 21 days ago. But hold on. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is giving a buy signal 25 days ago. Exciting, isn't it? If you want to explore more signals, head over to our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about Apple support, risk, and stop loss. When it comes to support, Apple has found a strong backing from accumulated volume at $171.96. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. It's a promising sign for investors. In terms of risk, Apple tends to have very controlled movements. With good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be very low. This means that investors can feel more confident in their investment. Let's look at the stock's recent performance. In just one day, Apple moved $3.23 between its high and low, representing a 1.89% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.94%. This indicates that the stock has been relatively stable. Welcome back, traders. Today, we're going to explore some exciting trading levels for Apple. But before we jump right in, let's start with some essential fundamental data that you need to know. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This critical ratio measures how a company's current share price compares to its per-share earnings. It's a key metric that investors consider when evaluating stocks. Now, let's talk about Apple's P/E ratio. It's within the normal range, which is often seen in businesses with a long track record and predictable revenues. This stability can be a good sign for investors. Moving on to some exciting news, we have the upcoming earnings report for Apple's Q3 2023. Mark your calendars for October 26, 2023. This report can have a significant impact on the stock prices, so it's essential to stay informed. According to analysts' consensus estimates, the earnings per share for Q3 2023 are expected to be $1.39. Keep a close eye on these numbers as they can greatly influence the direction of Apple's stock. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of day trading and exploring potential levels for Apple. Picture this: Apple is on an upward trend. The first resistance level we're eyeing is at $177.56. If you're not a shareholder yet, hold tight until this level is breached. But if you're already in the game, this could be your golden opportunity for swing trading. Now, let's shift our focus to the downside. Brace yourself, because Apple encounters its first support level at $171.96. If this level holds, it could be your ticket to jump in and anticipate a rebound. Get ready for some exciting news about Apple. The combined average rating from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. But that's not all. Let's dive into some recent insider trades. Hold on to your seats because on October 1, 2023, Williams Jeffrey E. executed an insider buy of a whopping 136,268 shares of common stock. But wait, there's more. On the same day, Williams Jeffrey E. also conducted an insider sell of 66,483 shares of common stock. And the excitement continues. Williams Jeffrey E. made another insider move by purchasing 58,408 shares of restricted stock unit. But hold on to your hats, because Williams Jeffrey E. also sold 136,268 shares of restricted stock unit on the same day. And that's not all. O'Brien DRDRE joined in on the action by buying 136,268 shares of common stock. Brace yourselves, because based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -20.479. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a staggering 2,315,546 shares and sold 3,644,150 shares. This stock is in trouble, and we have some bad news to share. Brace yourself, because things are not looking good. Are you wondering if Apple stock is worth investing in? Well, here's the lowdown. Apple is currently showing some negative signals, and our analysis suggests that it may not perform strongly in the upcoming days or weeks. So, we're leaning towards a negative evaluation of this stock. When we look at the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is actually overvalued. As for the trading day on Thursday, October 5th, we anticipate Apple's opening to be down $0.710, starting at $172.95. Attention, dear viewers. Today, we have an important message for all the eager traders out there. But before we dive into the thrilling world of trading, let's get a few things straight. Trading can be a roller coaster ride, full of risks and uncertainties. That's why we strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before you make any hasty decisions. Remember, your hard-earned money is at stake here. Now, let's talk about StockInvest.us. It's a platform that provides valuable information, but we want to make it crystal clear that you should not solely rely on it when making investment choices. We're just here to guide you, not make decisions for you. By continuing to watch this video and using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Yes, that's right, we're holding you accountable. So brace yourself, get ready, and let's dive into the exciting world of trading. Welcome to an exciting new episode of Stock Invest. Today, we unveil our exclusive insights into the stock market. Get ready to dive deep into the captivating world of stocks. We can't wait to hear your thoughts. Share your opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Now, let's get started on our journey to uncover the true potential of this stock. Get ready for a thrilling ride. Wishing you prosperous trading and a truly beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.